If you really want to address the issues in South Africa, restructuring is not the answer, innovation is. Extrusion is part of that innovation in agriculture.
Extrusion is one of the technology that will assist to make South Africa and Africa going forward.
Extrusion is a technology that is ideally suited for Africa. First of all, it's the most energy efficient cooking process available. Secondly, it has no waste stream, so wherever you put up an extrusion plant to cook products, you don't have any impact on the environment in terms of waste streams, which is a typical problem associated with food processing plants.
The people that do actually attend will benefit actually from attending the event. So we try to consult people if this is the right venue for them to learn about the potential of the technology and if it's the right direction that they should head into in terms of investment.
What I've learned in the workshop has helped me to technically understand some of the issues that we take for granted, and I was pleasantly surprised with the product itself.
ExtruAfrica gives people a high-level perspective on extrusion, so high-level information that they can then use to decide if this is the technology that they want to work with.
I think extrusion can contribute to alleviating poverty. Not only poverty, but also food security, because it is very efficient technology and it is relatively cheap. It can contribute to all kinds of food. It can even enrich certain foods, and it can create jobs.
There's no doubt, I think extrusion definitely is the right technology to be used in the local market, in the local industry, for production of higher volume, nutritious foods as well. The key trends really are knowing what ingredients to use, what's your target audience, and introducing new flavors, new colors, new shapes, new textures. With extrusion, we're able to use grains that may have been unused before to actually create products that are going to enable us to alleviate developmental issues that are a cause of malnutrition.
We can make a variety of different products for the market. For example, snacks, ready-to-eat porridges, cereals, and then it's also being used in the food and feed industry to make pet food, cat food, and aqua feeds. They are looking into it where they can use this technology to process their own crops, and they can do it also on small scale to large scale. That's the beauty of the extrusion, that you can go to very small to large scale. They don't have to invest a lot of money. Therefore, right now it is making a lot of awareness in all Africa. I think one day that Africa will be very proud that they have attended, start learning about ExtruAfrica, and they have added a lot of value and also some of that contribution to the economy.
Now, what we've got in Africa is a whole range of other grains which are very well established and grown in large quantities. I mean, things like sorghum, things like millet, things like teff, which can potentially be used in a lot of different applications, not only from a cost and availability perspective, but because also hopefully they will finish up generating new types of products from a taste and texture point of view.
The big value from extrusion is that you're getting significantly higher return on your investment. So, you know, when you're selling a commoditized product, maize or soybeans or whatever it is that's farmed, you're very much a price taker, whereas extrusion gives you the flexibility to create a product which is less commoditized, more differentiated, and by increasing your returns, obviously you're going to increase the profitability of that business.
It's cutting-edge technology. Department of Trade and Industry specifically like to see that kind of activity in the economy. It creates export opportunities for South African businesses and adds a lot of value to the entire value chain, which indirectly leads to job creation and more taxes being paid to National Treasury and a better South Africa for all of us at the end of the day.
I see this ExtruAfrica event for 2017 as very relevant for today's South Africa, where we need a new, optimistic, innovative look at today's challenges and to find innovative solutions.